Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your tools are ready. Roblox Studio, the motion tool plugin, and a stable camera. Connect your camera or phone, then enable API access in Studio so animations can be imported. Once done, open your character's rig in the animation editor and create a new animation file. Make sure your capture frame rate is set to 3060 FPS for smooth retargeting. Now position the subject in view and run a short test clip so you know the feed and rig sync correctly. You'll now record and map the motion. Start with short takes and clear movements. This avoids noisy data that breaks retargeting. After each take, label files so you can compare attempts. Then use the motion tool to map core joints, head, spine, hips, shoulders, and hands, and adjust tolerance so the tool trusts your markers. Once mapping looks correct, export as FBX for manual import or stream pose data directly into Roblox for live retargeting. This step produces an animation clip you can fine-tune in Studio. You finish by importing the animation into Roblox and assigning it to the character's animation controller, then testing it in-game to check timing and collisions. Next, refine animation curves and loop points in the editor. Apply small smoothing to reduce jitter and correct root motion so the character moves naturally. If limbs look offset or timing shift, make sure retargeting weights are correct. If not, re-record the problematic segment with clearer poses. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun calibration and mapping after any rig change to restore accurate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.